Holding hands might seem like a small, emotional gesture, but science suggests it does something far deeper. Research has found that holding hands with a romantic partner can actually reduce physical pain, and the mechanism behind it isn't just psychological comfort. It involves synchronized brainwaves between two people. In simple terms, your brain and your partner's brain begin to align, creating a calming effect that lowers how intensely pain is perceived. Neuroscience studies using EEG and brain imaging technology show that when couples hold hands, especially during moments of stress or pain, their brain activity starts to sync. This phenomenon is known as interpersonal neural synchronization. The stronger the emotional bond, the stronger the synchronization. When this happens, areas of the brain linked to pain processing become less active, while regions associated with safety and emotional regulation become more engaged. Pain is not just a physical signal. It's heavily influenced by the brain's emotional state. Anxiety, fear, and isolation amplify pain. Touch, especially from someone trusted, sends safety signals to the nervous system. When partners hold hands, the brain releases oxytocin, often called the bonding hormone, which reduces stress and dampens pain responses. At the same time, synchronized brain rhythms help stabilize breathing and heart rate, further calming the body. What's especially fascinating is that this effect doesn't require words. In some studies, couples were asked not to speak at all. The simple act of touch was enough to create measurable changes in brain activity and pain tolerance. This suggests that human connection operates on a biological level that bypasses conscious thought. Researchers also found that the pain relief effect was strongest when the partner was emotionally attentive rather than distracted. Emotional presence matters. When the person holding your hand is genuinely engaged, the synchronization is stronger and pain reduction is more significant. This reinforces the idea that connection, not just physical contact, is the key factor. This phenomenon helps explain why people instinctively reach for a loved one during medical procedures, emotional distress, or moments of fear. The body isn't just seeking comfort, it's activating a built-in regulatory system designed to share emotional and physical load through connection. Interestingly, the partner providing comfort also shows changes in brain activity. Their brain begins to mirror the emotional state of the person in pain, allowing them to subconsciously regulate and soothe it. This shared regulation is one of the foundations of human bonding, and may be why close relationships are linked to better long-term health outcomes. The implications go beyond romance. This research highlights how deeply social humans are wired to be. Pain, stress, and healing are not purely individual experiences. They are shaped by connection. In a world that increasingly promotes independence and isolation, this science quietly reminds us that closeness is biological medicine. So the next time someone says holding hands doesn't really do anything, science says otherwise. It's not just comforting, it's neurological, hormonal, and real. Sometimes the most powerful pain relief doesn't come from a pill, but from another human being.